Tecoma Hybrid Crimson Fire. Crimson Fire. This is a very beautiful plant for habitat gardening. It does get 8 feet tall by 8 feet wide, and it is upright. The flowers are tubular, kind of reddish orange, coral-ish. The hummingbirds would stick its beak through there. Flowers in the spring, summer, and fall, so most of the year. Full sun, minimal water. It is fast growing, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous tall plant with these tubular flowers. This is just insanely beautiful. This is also great if you want to hide the neighbors, or if you want to provide a screen where you have an area where you want something tall to add interest.